Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Lalula. It's my first time trying a wig from them. This is the packaging. Got a drawstring bag. You know this is great to store your wigs in later on. So I got some goodies. I got a branded Lalula elastic headband, edge brush and comb, a pair of HE wig caps, a pair of lashes, and finally there's the wig, which is 24 inches long. As you can see, this is a 360 Invisi strap pre-cut lace front wig. This is a Waterwave texture. This is how the inside look. As you can see the Invisi straps in the back, adjustable elastic band on the inside of the cap, 3 combs, all of which helps with security. And as I said, it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it's a Waterwave texture. I was just cutting away the excess around the ears because I did proceed to going ahead and measuring up the size of this wig on my head. I opted to do a glue install today. And I mean, if you're gonna be doing a full-on lace front wig right now, especially 360 in this type of heat, yeah, you definitely need a great glue too. So you know, I'm using the PS Lux hair lace glue because that's just amazing. It's waterproof. It's amazing. Please go check it out. So this is how it's looking once I go ahead and I apply the elastic band to melt on the lace, so you know it can look really nice and melted. And then I proceeded to putting the hair in a ponytail. You guys know I'm not gonna get a 360 wig and not do a updo. I love a messy bun. So that's the first look that we're doing with this wig. Okay. That's how it looks. So cute, right? Literally so cute. I always love doing a really cute messy bun. You can't go wrong with it at all, at least with a good 360 wig. So that was look 1. Look 2, I'm doing a half up, half down. Duh. So I'm gathering the hair there to do the ponytail at the top, and I definitely went ahead and did another bun. These buns were like, you know, messy fans. I absolutely love it. And the hair is also nice and soft. By the way, there was shedding. Okay, so please take note of that. A little bit more than I would like, but yeah. So, and the hair is extremely lightweight. And then I moved on to the third and final look. You guys have seen this one before as well. This is, I decided to go ahead and do 2 buns. Very playful, very, you know, it gives weekend vibes. It gives young, wild and free. You know, we're going to party tonight. That's what it gives. So I just went ahead and I did that. Very straightforward, very beginner friendly. You know, you can't go wrong with these hairstyles. Lalula hair, yeah, this was a pretty straightforward 360 wig. The direct link will be down below in my description box if you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself. All the specifications will be listed down below. Any sale, any deal happening at the moment, that will be stated as well. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.